Today we will learn about how we can install Power BI, and this is used for data visualization in the further lectures. So let us start without wasting any time. So I am on google.com and I will write Power BI here, and Power BI desktop. Okay, download. In the Power BI desktop download search, you can find this first link. I am clicking on the first link. It will open it will direct us to the Microsoft Power BI page, and on this page I will go towards this version, Microsoft Power BI desktop, and there are different options. One is download, one is advanced download. I am clicking on advanced download option. You can also click on the download option as well, and in the advanced download option you can select the language as English, and you can see the details if you want to see, and the system requirements and the installation instructions. So without doing anything extra, I will click on the download button, and in the download please select this one, cross 64exe file, and it is 362.8 MB. I am clicking on the next button, and after clicking on the next button we will wait, and you can see the installation has been started. So it will take around 11 minutes, and we will pause the video for 11 minutes and then continue again from the same point when the setup got completed. The setup has been completed, and I am now opening this file. Okay, first I am clicking on show in folder. So the folder is opened, and here is the PBI desktop setup, and I will double click on it, and it will start the setup. So the language selection is English. I will click on the next button, and yes, click on the yes, agree with all the terms and conditions, and it is proceeding. Yes, the setup has been started. Now I will click on the next button. Okay, and accept the terms and in the license agreement, and I will install it in program files Microsoft. You can change the path if you want to change it, but keep it in the C directory. Yes, we want to create a desktop shortcut. I will click on the install button, and the installation has been started. So this installation will take a few minutes, and after the installation inshallah we will on the Power BI desktop screen, and we will learn about the environment of the Power BI and the related things. So you have to follow all the things step by step. It will be a very helpful, easy and beneficial for you for data visualization, and we will be using it in a Power BI competition in the mathematics department. Okay, so let us wait for the installation to get completed. Okay, so we can see the setup has been completed. We will click on the launch Microsoft Power BI desktop. I am clicking on the finish button. So I am closing these tabs and waiting for the Power BI desktop to get opened. So it will take a very few minutes for the launch of the very first time, and after you get usual with it, it will not take a long time for opening. So all the things are loading, and we are on the Power BI desktop right now. Let us wait, it will show you a pop-up screen first, and after that we will discuss about more options in the Power BI desktop application. So for the very first time you will get this pop-up. You can see some of get data option, recent resources, open other projects. We have done a brand new setup, so there are not recent resources available. So we will not click on all the things, we will click on got it, and this yellow pop-up we will click on the cross button, and this will get closed. And here are many of the options. I will click on this close button as well, and now I will go towards all the things one by one. Okay, so the upper part of this Power BI desktop is known as the ribbon, and these parts are known as sections. This is the section, and in the section there is a report section, in the section there is a data section, and in the report section there is a model section. The upper part is the ribbon, this is the section, and if I click on this you can see the filters. We will discuss in the later videos what are filters and how we can use it. There are visualizations, there are some pretty interesting visualizations, we will discuss a lot about it. And the first is the file option. In the file it is same as Microsoft Word. You can open the report, save the report, or get data. We will discuss get data as well. And after the file there is a home option, and in the home option you can work on Excel workbook, SQL server, you can enter data manually, and there are a lot of options. You can see the new visual, the text box, and more visual as well. And in the insert option you can see there are you can insert new pages and many things. We will discuss about this in later videos. We will use all of them. And Power BI also offers the option to do the modeling of data, so we will work on this modeling section in the future as well. And in the view section there are different types of pages or different type of background you can use for your report. Suppose I have selected this, so the color of the background should be like this, and we can make different types of dashboard in Power BI, and we will discuss all of them later. And you can fit to page, fit to where the best option is fit to page, and we can also select mobile layout as well. So if you want to get your data on the mobile phone, data visualization on the mobile phone, you can click it and work on it. I am clicking it again, so it will get disappear. You can add grid lines on your page. Grid lines means a set of squares or small boxes. We will discuss about filters, bookmarks, performance analyzer, and sync slicers, and a lot of things in the Power BI. So you have installed Power BI desktop and see some of the things, and in the second video we will discuss how to import data, how to do visualizations, some pretty interesting visualizations for this software. So that's all for this video. Let us meet in the next video, and we will start from importing data into this software. Hope you have understand the installation process, and you will get it installed on your PCs as early as possible. Thank you.